Proper tire pressure is essential for safety, fuel efficiency, and tire longevity. Here's how to check and maintain it correctly. Step 1. Find your vehicle's recommended tire pressure, measured in PSI or pounds per square inch. This information is typically located on a sticker inside the driver's side door frame. Step 2. Always check tire pressure when tires are cold. This means the vehicle hasn't been driven for at least 3 hours, as driving heats up the tires and increases pressure readings. Step 3. Use a reliable tire pressure gauge. Remove the valve cap from the tire, press the gauge firmly onto the valve stem, and read the pressure measurement. Step 4. Adjust the pressure if needed. If pressure is too low, add air using an air compressor. If too high, release air by pressing the center pin in the valve stem until you reach the recommended PSI. Important: tire pressure changes with temperature. For every 10 degrees Fahrenheit drop in temperature, tire pressure decreases by 1 to 2 psi. Check and adjust pressure seasonally. Modern vehicles have tire pressure monitoring systems, or TPMS, that alert you to pressure changes. However, these systems are warnings, not substitutes for regular manual checks. Check your tire pressure monthly for optimal safety and performance. Remember, proper tire pressure improves safety, extends tire life, and increases fuel efficiency. Make it part of your regular vehicle maintenance routine. Several key indicators tell you when it's time to replace your tires. Understanding these signs can prevent accidents and save money in the long run. The primary indicator for tire replacement is tread depth. While the legal minimum is 2/30ths of an inch, safety experts strongly recommend replacing tires at 4/30ths of an inch for better performance, especially in wet conditions. You can check tread depth using 3 methods: a tread depth gauge for precise measurement, the penny test, where Lincoln's head should be partially covered, or by checking built-in wear bars that become flush with the tread when replacement is needed. The difference between 4/32ths and 2/32ths tread depth is significant for safety. Proactive replacement at 4/32 tread depth reduces wet weather accident risk by 35% compared to waiting until the legal minimum. Beyond tread depth, watch for secondary replacement indicators: sidewall cracking or bulging, uneven wear patterns that suggest alignment issues, age-related deterioration after 6 to 10 years, regardless of tread depth, and frequent pressure loss indicating structural damage. With tire costs rising 15 to 20% since 2022, timely maintenance and proactive replacement become even more important. Replacing tires at the right time prevents more expensive emergency replacements and potential accident costs. Remember, replace tires at 4/32 tread depth for optimal safety, watch for secondary warning signs, and consider the long-term economic benefits of proactive tire maintenance. Your safety and wallet will thank you.